Very good morning, students. So let's continue our lab session from where we started yesterday or we have left yesterday. Let me know how many of you completed the registration form first of all. How many of you have completed that registration form? Let me know in the chats. How many of you have completed that form? The registration form that we did yesterday. No one has completed yet the registration form. Kindly respond, guys. I'm asking you something. Am I audible, first of all? Am I audible or not? So how many of you have completed the registration form? That is what I'm asking, this one. If you are not done, then continue with this one. I want it completed by today. I want this registration form to be completed using only HTML by today. And if someone has done, please let me know in the chats. Ronit, there is nothing difficult in this particular registration form. If I say, there is nothing difficult. Only you have to use a proper table tags and some of the I would say miscellaneous tags of HTML. And this you already learned in your previous semester. I'm just making you to revise this thing. If you are facing difficulties in designing such a simple HTML form, how you will work with advanced web technology concepts? We have already placed complete projects only in the practicals. Then how you will go for this? You just need to add empty TDs. That is how you can provide the spaces. See this code. I'm just showing you the code once. See this. These are the empty TDs. Once you use a proper table tag and everything, you will be able to do it easily. You just need to manage it properly. Divya, please share your screen. Let me see what you have done. I'm stopping presenting myself. Yeah, Divya. Okay, just so select yes, that one. Okay, very good. Fine, good. It is not exactly, but it is good as per my expectations. That's great. So now, Divya, what you are going to do is do one thing. Now, provide this particular registration form an elegant style sheet. You just need to do or provide an elegant style sheet to that particular registration form. Right? Yeah. Is there anyone else who has completed? Okay, Lakiraj, you are saying 5 minutes work is left. Can you share your screen and show me what work you've done so far? Yes, Lucky Raj. Okay, fine. Yeah, I can see your screen. Show me the output directly, no issues. Yeah. Okay. And what about that education drop down? Okay, good. Fine, no issues. Once you're done with the spacings and everything, just do one thing. Make it an elegant registration form. Use external style sheets on your own. Fine, okay. Continue. What about others? Raj, Smith, Aditya, Praful, Sahil, Shivangi. Smith, share your screen. Ishita, Rakshit. What about you all? Yeah, Smith, your screen is visible. Don't worry. Yep. See, Smith, first name, middle name, last name should be aligned properly. At the top, the labels of each text box. Right? That is what we call it as elegant designing. And then you will add elegant style sheet to it. What about education? Okay, good. So I think you used opt group with the option, right? Everyone, the three of you, Dakirat, Divya, and Smith. Yeah, great. So now, Smith, Lucky Raj, and Divya, you can use external style sheet and provide an elegant styles and some good designs to a registration form. It should look attractive anyhow. That is your task. Yeah, Shivangi, share your screen. Let me know whatever you are left with. Yeah, Shivangi, share your screen and show me whatever you are left with. No issues at all. Let it be partial completed or not completed, whatever it is the status. Just show me what you have done so far. Then Raj, be ready to share your screen. Then Ishita, then Praful, then Sahil. One by one, you need to share your screen. Show me whatever you have done so far. So Praful has left the meet. Yeah, and let me know in the chats how many of you cleared that Microsoft examination and got the certificate of Microsoft Technological and Technology Associate. How many of you cleared that exam? The Microsoft Technology Associate. Very good, Lucky Raj. Then, good, Janil and Rakshit. Okay, then, very good, Smith. Okay, yes, Sahil has also cleared. Ishita. Ishita, have you completed? Then show the work. No issue. You can share your screen and show me whatever you have done so far. Ishita. Yes, Shivangi or Ishita, share your screen and let me see what you've done in the registration form. Awaiting your screen share. Still no one is willing to share the screen. I said that Ishita or Shivangi, you may share your screen one by one. And let me see what you have done so far. Okay, Sahil, you can share your screen. Then Dhruti, Deep, what is the status on the yesterday's task that we have given to you? Shivangi, share your screen if you are done with it.
Sir,
Yes, Rakshit, I have seen your work. That's right. What about your education? You are working on that? Okay, fine. Shivangi, I'm waiting for your screen to be visible to me. And by that time, first of all, let me take the attendance. So rest of the students will not get the attendance. Raj is there? Raj. Okay, Raj is not there. Raful, he is not there. Shubham, he has
Present.
joined late. Yeah, you joined late. Bidan, he is not there. Deep, he is there or not? Deep was there, but he has left. No issue. Smith, yes, he is there. Rakshita is there.
yeah,
Dhruti is there. Lucky Raj is there. Divya is there. Shivam is not there, I think so. Yeah, Shivam is not there. Janir is there. Sahil is there. Aditya is there. Shivangi is there. Aarti is not there. Okay. Ronit is there and Ishita is there. Okay, fine. Great.
Sir, 04.
Sorry,
Ronit.
Ronit? Yeah, you are present.
Okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Shivam, share your screen. Show me whatever you have done so far in the registration form. Shivam, can you hear me? Anyone who is willing to share the screen? Raj, I'm not going to give you the attendance if you are joining and joining and leaving repeatedly. I'll grant you the attendance only if you show me your work, whatever you've done so far. If you want, you can present your screen and show me whatever you've done so far. Yes, Janil, what is the update on your side? How much you have completed? Show me the work. Share your screen. Yes, Sahil, I can see your form, but this is not the form that I was expecting. But still, you can scroll it down. Show me the education. Show me the education drop down. Just go to educational details. You can scroll your screen and show me the educational details. I think your screen is hanged. You can represent. You can represent, Sahil. Okay, fine. Continue then. If the education part is not done, you can continue. Guys, I want this task completed anyhow today. That is not a big task, right? So complete the registration form properly by today's lab, and those who are completed, try to provide an elegant styling to that particular form. That is your task for today, right?